Download the LED lamp from App Store or Google Play. Then turn on Bluetooth and location. Make sure your phone's operating system is updated to the latest version. Select your device. You can choose any color you want. And the light brightness can also be adjusted. Lighting mode and flashing frequency can be switched. There is also a color customization mode. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Music mode. You can select the music from your phone's music library. Then the lights will flash with the rhythm of the music. The sound outside the phone can also make it produce rhythm. You can set the timer to turn on or off the lights and operating mode through your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.